In this video, we will learn how to add a text box in PowerPoint. So let's start. This is my PowerPoint, and you can see I already added here two text box. You can feel color also in text box. So let's see how it's done. So simply open your PowerPoint and go to the Insert tab. In text group, click on the text box and draw your text box here. So I draw here my text box. I just write here the one text in text box. So I just write PND Tech. Okay, then I increase here the font size of this. I simply add here font 150, and you can see over here. Simply right click on the box and click on the format shapes option, and here the select the gradient fill option. You can see the preset gradients also available. You can select those you want. See the changes over here, and if you want to change the color of the gradient stops, you can change here. Just select the stops and click on the colors and select the different color here. You can see the changes on this text box. Okay, so this is a way you can insert the text box and fill the color in text box also. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.